Stock Sumo here with BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and we're looking at VHGI Holdings Inc. That's ticker symbol VHGI. And on Friday, the stock closed at the high of day, closed up 30%, closed at 9 cents, and it earned us a spot in the penny stock rumble. This is the fourth time that we were featured in the penny stock rumble. For the past 2 weeks now, they featured us as the biggest gainer for penny stock newsletters. So I want to congratulate ourselves for the amount of success we've had. We're going to keep the momentum going. This play looks like it still has some more upside. Want to take it back a little bit, going back to the 1 year chart, and you can see back in June, July, the stock ran as high as 19.5 cents, and that's going to be our next key resistance point after the 9 and 10 cent mark. Notice that these 9 and 10 cents were previous swing highs, and those are going to be key resistance points. And now that the stock's getting close to that range, if we break above that, the next resistance is going to come at 19.5 cents. That's the previous swing high from last July. So let's go back to the 6-month chart here, and you can get a closer look on some of these indicators and what they're doing here, and you can see that the slow stow is crossing over again. This is a good sign. I like seeing the slow stow cross over. Notice the PPO crossed over back here, and the histogram is staying strong to the bullish side. Volume is steady, good volume. RSI is up in the power zone, cranked up there, and notice we've had some nice upside after this pullback and consolidation. The stock bounced off of its 52-week low here, had a big spike up, consolidated, yet it held a higher support level than right here. Notice 009 was a resistance point, and after the consolidation, this previous resistance held as support. That's what we like to see. And going forward, I want to continue to see our previous resistance hold as support. Now I want to see the 4.8 hold as support. So the 4 to 5 cent range, this was a previous resistance level. I want to see that hold as a future level of support on our next consolidation. So now that we're testing a previous resistance level of the 9 to 10 cent range, I'd like to see the stock break out above the 9 to 10 cent range, and if that could hold as support, that would also be a good sign. I like how we have a golden cross set up. Notice all the moving averages are currently trending up. You got the 20-day charging towards that 200-day moving average. That's going to be a very good sign when that 20-day gets through that 200-day moving average. Same with the 50-day. This 50-day moving average is moving up nicely. I'd like to see that 50-day moving average continue to climb, get through the 100-day, and attack that 200-day moving average. So I like the makeup of the chart for VHGI. Had a great run last week. We definitely want to keep this one on our watch list heading into this week. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com and sign up for our newsletter. It's free.